$20,000, $25,000, $30,000 as an exit strategy?
I would keep it at 30.
You would keep it at 30?
Yeah.
I probably would too, just to make sure that
Unforeseen items.
right.
Yeah, for the miscellaneous.
Looking at 30?
I agree, because you gotta, see, you changing all the fixtures out of there. Electrical,
Come
light
around.
fixtures. All the light fixtures gotta go. We gotta upgrade that stuff. But we going
All
with,
light fixtures?
all light fixtures, but we're going with LEDs, even in the bathroom. You gotta do vanity lights, replace the vanity lights, and just go new, like you're doing on everything else. So don't shortcut.
Right,
Man. Just
right.
go on.
If you're gonna, as you're growing, that's what's gonna set you apart from everybody else.
But you're polishing the thing up.
Yeah.
Keep doing, that's the
Now-
wrap, but that's the wrap for signature.
Okay,
You cannot do. See, what you're doing, and you're doing a good job at it, you're elevating the house, you're bringing it up to the time. Like, you see, with the fixtures and stuff that you're putting in the flooring, you're bringing it up. Because new houses look like that too. Right? New houses look like what you do when you finish it.
So I got a question. We're gonna close on this house on July the 15th. Okay? That means we can start working on this house July the 16th, 17th, 18th. Will y'all be available between the 16th and the 20th to start on the project? I know we're gonna have to see who's gonna go first so we don't overlap like Kevin overlapped with John. So
Don't call me till last.
we'll call him at the last minute as far as that. But will you be able to go? We're gonna close on the 15th,
16.
the 16th. We're closing on the 16th. Will you be able to go on the 16th?
Yeah.
Will you be able to go on the 16th?
Sounds pretty good.
Make it happen.
All right. So everybody be ready to go on the 16th. You will probably be ready to go on the 25th.
Yeah, I was gonna say a couple weeks.